a very clear message to our government, to those parties who says that these immigrants have been voting in the GHDC since the time we got our district council. We want to ask them one simple question. If Garwels belong to the Achik people, then how come these people also have the same right as the Achik? We want the sanctity of GHDC to be protected, and the GHDC should only be for the protection of the Achik people.
Yes, right.
My brothers and sisters, I want to call you all that this fight should not be only for today. The pain of the Achik people is the pain of the Nyautrek people. Your loss is also our loss. And that is why, if you fight, we will also fight and stand together with you. At the end of the day, who is NPP, who is BJP, who is Congress, it is you who make them MLA, it is you who make them MDC. If you say no, they have to hear your voice. That is why you have to take a very strong stand at this moment, because this moment will decide the history of the Achik people in the future. This is the message I want to send to these illegal immigrants, to the Bangladeshis, and we would also like to send a message to our leaders that today, in this moment, the Achik people have spoken out that enough is enough. Illegal immigration will not be allowed to happen, and these illegal immigrants have to be pushed back to their country. The Khasis, the Jantias and the Garos, we are the owner of this land, not some Bangladeshis. A brother who died did not die for politics. He did not die for power, but he died protecting our land. He died to protect our forest that sheltered us, and he died to give our children the right over our ancestral land. So it is on us to decide whether should we allow his martyrdom to be wasted, or should we stand and make sure that a brother, a slain brother who lost his life, his martyrdom should not be wasted, but rather it gives us strength to fight against these illegal Bangladeshis. The killing of a brother, Let Magrik Dil Synrem Sangma, would not have happened had our government, had our leaders been proactive in sealing our borders and not allowing them, these illegal immigrants, to stay, to work and commit this heinous crime.